Good morning, ABJ. It is Thursday, day A. Here are your announcements for the day. Once again, grads, this is the last week that you're able to order gradware. So the deadline is this Friday, February 21st. Please go to the ABJ Grad website for the link to the gradware store. Also today at lunch is the book sale, my favorite time of year. Incredible prizes, tons of selections. Come find your next read or a gift for that book lover in your life. The sale's happening in room 189. That's Mrs. Boak's room in the new portables. Attention grade 12 math nerds, or that's what it says, fans of math. Get ready to flex your problem solving skills and join us for a day of math. You'll have the chance to work both individually and in teams to tackle challenges at the biggest high school math competition in Canada. It takes place in Edmonton at Ross Shepherd. So if you want to represent your school and showcase your math abilities, be sure to express your interest by contacting Madame Rock in room 218 or Mrs. Wetstein room 212 by next Tuesday. That's February 25th. So we can register our team. Spots are going fast, so get your name in. It's time to work your angles, so don't miss out. I'm just reading what's written here. Mrs. Wetstein wrote this, I'm assuming. And please don't forget about our open house, 6 to 8 p.m. tonight. Invite as many people as you want. The school will be wide open, showcasing all the amazing things we have here at ABJ. And the hockey game will be on TV, because apparently there's a hockey game on tonight. Also, the first day of high school badminton tryouts are today in the large gym after school, and it's not too late to sign up. Stop by room 145 sometime today and let Mr. Kent know if you want to try out. All grade 10s, 11s, 12s are welcome to show off their skills. If you are in grade 9 looking to try out, those tryouts are going to come later in March. And in other exciting news, our ABJ mixed curling team won our school a banner. They won last year as well. I believe our curling team won Metro banner and as well provincials. They were the best in the province, and this year they're on their way to doing it again. So they beat Paul Kane High School on Wednesday, and they are heading to Brooks next week for provincial. So congratulations to Sadie Stelmack, Lily McDonald, Ryan Stockdale, Sarah Yarmich, and Ben Basendowski Day, and to their coach, Mr. Parazak. Well done, guys. And I know it seems like a topsy-turvy world lately, but just remember, everyone, to please be kind out there. Love one another. Be good people. And in the famous words of Charlie Chaplin,